everyone, it's Lorenzo here from Inception Auto Detailing, and this is a real treat for you because what I have here is the new improved and facelifted interior version of the Tesla Model S, and then I believe this is a 2022 model year line. And then so now this is completely a brand new car. We're gonna be replacing the factory screen protector and replace it with the XPEL Ultimate Plus 10mm thickness film. So now the reason why owners will actually upgrade their film to the XPEL one, because this is a lot thicker than the factory one, so there's no so in terms of like wear and tear, it's a lot more resistant from your normal usage. So now we're gonna be working on this right now. So as in any Tesla vehicles, when cleaning the screen, you want to put this on the screen cleaning mode, and then so the screen cleaning mode is, it's over here somewhere. Hypersurface. Oh, right here. So screen clean mode, and then it fades to black there. So next is, this is the factory screen. Just want to take this off. Take that off, and then we're gonna spray a little bit of alcohol there to get this all ready. And then this is a wet type install with the XPEL. There you have it. So once this is installed, we do have to do a restart of the system and then let this dry, and then the screen will be operating as normal. So now let's work on the back one. We'll see you there. And voila.